Hello again. In previous lecture we created our add book window, right? It's time to create now. In this lecture we are going to create our add member window, and it will be very simple because it's very similar to that one, the first one. So to that, what I need to do, first I need to go to find my add member button, right? At main.py, and here add member button is here, right? And here what I need to do, I need to use here command is equal to self dot add member. Okay, and after that what I need to do, I need to copy this name and to create my definition. Here I will say def add member and self, right? Here what I will say, member, or let's say member is equal to add member dot add member. I didn't create my Python file and also my class. That's why here we are getting error, right? So what I need to do, first I need to go to here. Actually here, let's create our Python file first, add member, and after that here I say main import add member. Okay, and after that here what I need to do, add book, it will do as I said very similar. So I can copy all of these things. Okay, copy add book, and here I will paste it here. Okay, so what I need to do, this is going to be add member, and here our title is will be add member. Okay, and the frame, everything is same here, but what I will say for add member, and here add book, for add book add person icon I will use that one. Okay, add person, so here it will be add person, and after that here I will say add person. And what I need only two entries here. So the first I will keep these guys, okay, but I will delete this page language. Okay, I also need button, so now it's fine, and let's delete these guys. Okay, and after that what I need to do here, for the name we can keep it name, and this one is going to be font, because we remember we have only two fields at members table, right? First one is name, the other one is font. So here what I will say for the font, even we can say here outer, and here we need to say here font. Okay, and let's say here member name and font. So I will say here font, and that one is going to be font, and please enter font number, and single quote. What is next? Let's also copy this font text. Okay, and I will paste it here, entry font, and this one is font again, and the last one is also going to be font, but here what I need to say, entry font dot get, right? And here like that. So name, and let's remove these guys. I will say here simply font. Okay, and after that what I need to say here, I need to use insert into members. Okay, members, my table name, and here member name and member font. So let's remove these guys, member name and also member font, right? I have only two values, so let's delete these guys, and after that here execute, and here our query, first one, and after that the other one will be font, and I will remove these guys. Okay, I think everything looks fine. So it looks like there is no problem. Add book, I will name it add member. Okay, this one is going to be add member. Okay, if I run my application, I can see, by the way, here what we need to do, we need to check our table, okay, for the field's name. And let me check it. Our library is here, and members, browse data, not sorry, here members, and member ID, member name, member phone. Okay, fine. And the table name is members. Fine, everything looks fine. So what I need to do, I need to run my main.py, and here add member. Everything looks fine, only I need to move this guy somewhere here. Okay, so I need to change y value for button. Y value, let's say 120. I think it will be fine. If I run it again, add book, yes, it's fine. So let's say, for example, for David, and the phone number +7, something like that. Okay, add book, successfully added to database. Now let's go back to here, show in Explorer and library, and here members, right? And for this one I will say members. As you see now, our record is here and everything looks very well. And for now, that's all. See you in the next